Introduce.
This is Luan. He likes playing with his little Hello Kitty, which is not giving it to me right now. Hold on, so
The only way to get it from him is to pick him up.
Tickle him.
Is to pick him up.
There. Okay, sit. No.
He doesn't obey us. Not at all. He's a tiny rebel.
Come, Lulu. Come, Lulu.
Viu? Acho que esse ato tá sendo filmado.
Come, Lulu.
Come, baby, come. Oh, yay. See, he's right here. He's giving it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Hold on, you film me.
Give it to us.
Okay, his mustache is a little.
His mustache is going up.
Come on. Come on.
Okay.
Come.
See a Hello Kitty and see Luan. And Luan obviously jumps to get the Hello Kitty
Obviously.
because she's too cute.
Hold on, you can't see with all this mustache in front of your face. Up.
Up! Whoa! I'm starting to think he's part
Come
kangaroo.
and get me. Come and get me. La, 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 la.
I'm starting to think my dog is part kangaroo and part cat.
And part cheetah.
Obviously part Shih Tzu, Mom.
And part ladybug. Don't forget part
Oh,
ladybug.
yeah, part ladybug. See the little ladybug bow? See it? See the little ladybug bow? Say hi, Lulu. Say hi. Up, up. Come on, baby. Get the Hello Kitty.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, I think he's tired. Mom, throw it. Mom, throw it over there.
Hold on.
Throw it next to the door. Boing. Okay, Mom, throw the Hello Kitty. He finally reacted.
He said, I'm getting
Oh.
away from these people that don't let me play with my Hello Kitty.
See, he ran away. See him right here? Hey, baby. I got his Hello Kitty. See, I got his Hello Kitty that my mom made. See the Hello Kitty? See the puppy wanting the Hello Kitty. It's so ironic. The dog loves. Oh, okay, he's gone. So I'm gonna stop filming now. Bye, guys.